Hello children, welcome back to online art class. In today's class, let's learn how to draw a giraffe with simple drawing techniques. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, let me draw an inverted U to draw its face and an oval shape for its mouth. Now draw the ear on both the sides with the leaf shape. Then I draw parallel line and a circle. Now let me draw its body. For its body, first draw a standing line, then followed by a short line, then give a curved line to make its body. Now draw its leg using standing line with a curved shape at the base. Draw 4 legs in the same pattern. Now let's draw its eyes, nose and mouth. I just draw 2 leaves in its mouth. This is how the picture looks when it is completed. Now I just draw hills and clouds as shown. Now that our giraffe is complete, let's see how to color it. First, I color brown for all the patches or the spots on the body. Next, color the complete body with the yellow color. Now, color orange outline for ear and mouth. Next, draw the leaves with green color, clouds with dark blue and light blue shading as shown. Just give horizontal strokes as shown and fill in with light blue color. Now let me give the dark green outline for all the mountains. Now give some scribbling strokes inside. That is, just give the scribbling strokes with dark green. Now completely fill the mountain background with light green color. This completes our picture, children. Hope it was easy and you learned how to draw giraffe with easy drawing steps. Until I meet you next time with a new drawing, take a very good care of your health and bye for now.